The Cool Sculpting procedure is a new, non-invasive procedure that uses an advanced cooling technology to gently and effectively target and eliminate fat. This procedure involves no incisions, no anesthesia, and can reduce the fat layer by 20 to 25% in a single treatment. The vacuum applicator allows the fat pocket to be drawn away from your trunk for treatment, while cooling panels within the applicator initiate the temperature reduction of the fatty tissue. Treatments usually last for 1 hour. As the cooling panels go to work in the first few minutes, the patient feels a sensation of intense cold. This soon dissipates, and many people spend this time reading, working on their laptops, or even taking a nap. No other local care is necessary after the treatment, and patients can return to normal activities immediately. Because of the natural removal of fat cells, patients have to allow their body to do the work. Most patients will observe a slight improvement in 3 weeks, with complete treatment results in 3 to 4 months. As long as the patient maintains his or her weight with diet and exercise, long-term results should remain stable. Lifetime Skincare Center is the only practice in Muncie to offer clients not just one Cool Sculpting machine, but 2 for dual cool treatments.